Hey guys, before we get the fidgets and fun started, make sure you hit that smash button, turn notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Wait, hit that smash button, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. I still said it wrong, but I usually bounce out for my intro, but we have a little bit of a special day. Hey, look at the camera. No. I'll let you go once you look at the camera. Maggot. This is Maggie. Okay, bye. Go see Evan. Okay. So, I found this bird feather, and I put it in this bag. I'll show you the bird nest that we used to have. This video is mainly about, have you guys ever heard of, okay, that's inappropriate. Her skirt needs to be on tighter. This skirt is not tight enough. Okay. Have you guys ever heard of a rainbow high doll? Well, these are junior high dolls. They're basically rainbow high dolls. This is a rainbow high doll. It looks like a mom to a teenage girl. So, I really wanted her. And I got her first. And, yeah. And then I got her because they're best friends in the show. Now, let me show you their accessories. Only purple and yellow stuff are in there. This is going to count as yellow. This is her snack that she came with, actually, seriously though. These are her shoes. Oh, sorry. Stay. These actually look like real feet to me on the camera, like for a baby. But they're just fingers, obviously. Okay. Ouch! Sorry guys, it started to hurt my finger really bad. Next up are the high heels for Violet. The other ones are more realistic. This is Violet's bag with her socks. With Violet's socks inside. Anything in here? Nope. Nothing in here. Just Violet socks. This is Sunny's jacket, and I cut something out of it. And cut out this hole because there was a phone. Speaking of, here it is. And I cut this out, and now it's her phone. So yeah. So that's my rainbow high dolls. It comes with 2 glittery of their color brushes, combs actually, a jacket, a unique jacket, some shoes, a unique backpack, and a doll. So yeah, this is a rainbow high doll, though not the same. She looks like an actor from her hair that my mom did. Her hair used to be touching her butt, but me and my mom cut it, so yeah. Here. So yeah, also, you guys might be wondering why I have an Easter basket out. These are some of my fidgets. Because there got to be a fidget part of the video. Am I right? So I got a squishy. sparkly needle. Oh, one of my favorites. An infinity cube. I think they call it this because, like, it never stops. If you're trying to, like, break it, it won't break. I mean, if you're trying to make it, like, stop and stay in one position forever, it's not going to. So, yeah. Why did I throw this? Okay, comment down below what your favorite fidget is, guys. One of these spinny things. Or adjustable. And no, this is not a fidget spinner. It's still all these and this spins, then you spin it and then bam. That wasn't that good. Okay. Oh, what is this sticky? I got a nice old stress ball that looks like slime. Oh, slime. I got slime all over. Okay. Some Play-Doh. And slime is counted as a fidget, and Play-Doh is basically slime, so Play-Doh is basically a fidget. I don't even know where I got this. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, no? I don't know. I don't really care. A pop tube. These are one of my favorites. I saw it on Nick LeMayo. I don't know. I just say LeMayo, even though it's LMAO. But, so, on one of their Catch You Keep It Short, Zoe, she got a pop tube and she was like, and then Nick told her to stop, and Zoe did this. Boom. So yeah, I would do that to my dad, but he doesn't buy me toys that much, which is unfortunate. I think that's right. I don't know. Okay. Take two. Okay, sorry guys, my room is very messy. If I showed you around, you guys would. I got a bed, a giant bed. A Barbie house. Yes, I still play with it. Okay, back to this. So let me try this again. Now my room is cleaner. That's true. I'm scared I'm going to shoot myself. Oh! I hit the thing, but I didn't hit the camera. Oh my god. Last try, and then I can try with something else that I find. I'll count it. Yeah. Sorry guys, my brother scared me. I like pop tubes, they're really fun. Okay, so I'm going to tell you where I got some of this from, so if you ever want it, you can get it. This I got from a vending machine at it's a Mexican place, but I forgot. This, somebody got me it for my birthday. Yeah. He lives in my neighborhood, and I told him I like fidgets, so for my birthday, he got me a whole box of fidgets. So yeah, this was one of them. Why do I throw things around? This will be my fidget pile. I wonder if you guys can actually see my mouth. I just wonder. Ow. I can't see that. Can you? Wait, guys. Be quiet and listen. Oh! Ouch. Well, if you guys could hear it, it made like, let's try this one more time. I look weird. Why do you look like that? Why do you sleep in your clothes?
I did. Wait. Why did I sleep in my clothes?
You slept in jeans before.
When?
I forgot.
And
Why
I
is your hair all
sleep in
messy?
These. I put these on after I woke up.
Oh.
Also, the hair, my hair looked dead, so now it looks alive and crazy.
One time I had to wake my
I heard that.
One time I had to wake my brother up. He had a t-shirt, a hoodie and jeans on. Oh, by the way, if you guys ever see my brother out in public, you won't know what he looks like. But if you would, like, if you knew him and you saw him in public, he would be wearing a hoodie. Back to the video, which has been 11 minutes. Good. Usually my videos are only 25 to 30 minutes. Well, that's my goal at least. So yeah, that was at Target, my pop tube. You can get this at Target, but I forgot where I got it. And this was also a vending machine. Cool. This, I don't know where I get a lot of my things. Where did I get this? I think I got this in the fidget box, guys. I got a couple more fidgets that are in here because I've lost them. Or I gave one to my mom. She broke it, so I gave her another. This is one of my favorite pop tubes, and it's so portable that I haven't played with it for a long time, and I've been playing with the big one, so it just feels so tiny. Oh gosh. There we go. And then that came from Price Chopper. And the Infinity Cube came in the fidget box. The fidget box was probably found on Amazon. Well, if you guys like my video, comment down below if I should do all of these. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm taking it everywhere. I really love this, but I have to show you one thing with my pink pop tube. I think our pop tubes are really cool because they do pop tubey stuff. But sorry, I'm in the bathroom because that's the only place that this will do this. You can't really. What in the world is wrong with my glow in the dark pop tube? Why isn't it glowing, guys? Something is wrong. Huh? Guys, it's not glowing. I'm gonna go get a different pop tube. Let's go get a different one and hope it glows. Oh, it's weird, guys. I'm scared now. Are any of my pop tubes gonna glow? I can't tell if it's glowing or not, guys. I'm gonna grab all of them that I can see. Okay. So I'm gonna make these 3 pop tubes, not poppets. On my only hope, guys. So first up, guys, there's something wrong with my pop tubes. They're not glowing. Do you guys know what happened? Because something is wrong. It's weird, guys, but whoa, I did not mean to do that. So yeah, maybe this will glow. Nope. Okay, guys. Oh gosh, guys, I know. I washed my fidgets and I washed my pop tubes because they were dirty and sticky. It probably washed off the glue. My brother. If you guys enjoyed this video, bye. If you like fidgets, comment down below.